One of the really cool things about living in Mill Creek is this nature preserve. There's literally, I don't know, tens and dozens of miles of trails that just intersperse this whole community. But the highlight of it is the trail from the nature preserve, right? And it goes along ponds, streams. I mean, I'm only a couple blocks away from Bothell Everett Highway and all the craziness that is. And listen, my footsteps and birds and ducks, just all around. It's pretty awesome. And if you're so inclined to cop a squat, contemplate a little bit, there's lots of places to do that along here too. This is a cool spot right next to the stream. Yeah, a little bit of nature in the middle of all the wackiness. Cheers. The MCCA does a really good job of maintaining this area and keeping the trails clear and clean and welcoming for everybody. So thanks to you guys. Keep up the good work. So there are those of you that know me that would look at this and say, unmarked hazards? Sounds fun, let's go. Younger me, not 55-year-old me. So, all right, we'll just go this way then. Well, the sound of morning commuters lets me know that I'm at the end of the nature preserve, right back to reality. One last stop at the fish ladder. Not a lot happening right now. Wrong time of year. But at some point later this year in the fall, I hope to see salmon jumping there. There's been a lot of work done to rehabilitate. How cool would it be to have them come to town? There's the road right there. There's all those sorry saps heading to work. I got to do that too. I just have to walk back home to my office. Okay, that's the end of it. Right here. Members of the Mill Creek Community Association only, or be my guest. Y'all are my friends and my family. Love y'all. Have an awesome day. Enjoy. Cheers.